So, hello everyone. I decided to make this video and show you two things. First of them is my pedalboard. This is a pretty simple right now pedalboard, very straightforward, only single chain, no drives active right now, but I still have some issues with noise. And I want to make this video the first in a series, and I want to rebuild it. I purchased some loop switchers, some MIDI foot controller and so on, and I want to configure everything in maybe some interactive way. And okay, then what I want to say about the noise. The noise here is come from rear-wheel drive, but sometimes from combination of different pedals. I believe it caused by some maybe ground loops and so on. And let me show you the level of this noise right now, because I'm using right now the Pitbull. It's a quite a high gain amplifier. You can definitely hear it, and this is a electrical noise, not noise from my guitar. You can hear it. And also I purchased the Nax foot switch, the simple pedal. And if I engage this one, okay, you can hear the noise again. And in this combination it's worked completely silent, or in this one, but only red one will make some noise. I cannot actually understand why it's happening, but I'm living with this. Currently nothing is enabled on this pedal board, only compressor and equalizer, nothing else. Sometimes also I have some problems with wah-wah pedal if I use long cable which are connected by daisy chain to other pedals, and these all things are quite annoying, and so because of these issues with noise I decided to rebuild it. Especially it's annoying if you want to create some stereo chain to use this pedal board for my synthesizers simultaneously with guitar, and if I will try to connect everything, it make a hell of a lot of noise. And the second thing that I want to show you is my baritone guitar from Harley Benton. This is quite a big guitar, I believe, very long. From a box it has some issues, especially with meshing heads. They were really loose, and I replaced them by some locking tuners from Goto. It make a really big sense for me. It's beautiful tuners. And also I replaced the pickups from original P90 to Alumitone from Lancaster, and I love them. They quite nice pickups, and it's a huge guitar, very interesting sound, pretty comfortable, no complaints about it. So I will record some random riffs, and that's it. Okay, let's make some noise. Really like this guitar. Yeah, okay, that's it for today. I hope I will come back soon and show some interesting stuff about loopers, because even now I face some issues with... It's not an issue, it's just an interesting thing with Voodoo Lab controllers. And that's it for today, I believe. Okay.